Yo. When I come back, I'll be putting a water stop across here. It's all waterproofed on the top. That water stop is hidden, and then I'm sloping it down to the edge of that wall there. It's all cool. Beauty. Well, over mixed day. I've got a third of a bucket left over. Oh. I'll get rid of that. Where's my bucket? Trowel. Hopefully, people, you've learned something out of these few videos about screeding a floor. If I've missed anything, you'll pick it up on another one of my videos, I'm sure. Hopefully I haven't. For the new ones that are coming along all the time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've learnt something too. Beautiful. I'm going to wash up my gear now. Tidy up. And another day is done. It's only a half day for me today. It's not even 12 o'clock. Nice 6x6 tile. 6x6 there on that wall. Above that niche shelf is 6x3, 6x3 on that wall. So what I plan to do after I've waterproofed it, I'll lay the wall and floor at the same time. If I just do the floor, I have another half day, and then I just do the wall, that's another half day. Nah, I'll lay the wall and then the floor. A DIY, when you're learning, you won't be as quick as that. So do your floor first and then your wall. That's another beautiful screed job, people, with bagged mud. I've stuff all waste. I haven't spent a lot of time going to get it. Time's very important. It hasn't been delivered, so I haven't wasted money on delivery charges. Put a bit in there just to make it look pretty. And like I said before, my water stop will be going against there. It's all waterproof, all water. If you had a major flood, it never runs down. People, you want to remember this, eh? When you have a real small tile and you've got heaps of fall on it, like in the old days, it would still not all go down the waste. It would run out the floor, run out the door, because the amount of water, if you had a burst pipe and it was gushing into this bathroom, going down the waste would never stop it coming out here, is what I mean. If I've said that right. And that's it, folks. That's all you're going to get for today. I'll come back soon when I start waterproofing it. I'll be popping it up with polyurethane. I want to slope that shelf a bit, so I'll do that first thing when I start waterproofing, when I come back, so it has a bit of time to dry. I'll probably do it with glue. I'll pick up a bit of angle so it gets me to a nice even slope. I'll probably slope it about 3.5 mil. It'll come out good. And then if any water penetrates through the grout, which it might do, because when you're washing your hair up there, a lot of water comes off your elbow and all that. So it needs to be able to run off nicely without the soap bottles sliding off. Okay, this is Chris O signing off, and I'll come back to you when I'm waterproofing. See ya.